All right, we're doing number 3. If you look at number 3, the difference here is that they're giving us in terms of degree minutes, and it's asking you angle answers in degree minutes for number 3 only. So we're actually going to have to solve this in terms of degree minutes. Not a big deal. Calculator can do most of this work. So start off again. Angle inside means you're going to do the law of sines. Okay. As I write this out, I want to emphasize that some of y'all have are just probably jumping to the question that you need help with. If you're watching this and I do a technique fairly quickly and you're like, how do you do that real fast? You can always let me know and I'll rework the problem. But if you watch some of the previous videos, it suggests how to do it, so that may help you out. In other words, some of the information has been discussed with already, so I may kind of zip through it. All right, so in any case, let's solve this. How do we do this? Cross multiply. So sine 78 degrees 11 minutes times 13 is 13 sine 78 degrees 11 minutes equals 19 times sine B, 19 times sine B. Okay, divide through by 19. Divide through by 19. Slice, slice. Sine B equals 13 times sine 78 degrees 11 minutes over, over 19. Okay, all right, so we're going to solve this. Now, here's where it gets interesting because we do have degrees and minutes. So just to remind you, the way we do that, I'm going to clear this bad boy. So you're going to just type it in normal, 13 times sine 78. Now, if you forgot, you're going to hit second abs. Remember, see that blue angle? Second abs is going to give you that angle. Angle! 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 I was like saying angle. 78 degrees, and then 11 minutes. Second abs, 2 is minutes. Okay? Also, you don't have to do it here, but if you had to do seconds, it would be an alpha plus. See in green, you have the seconds there. So, from here, I got to divide by 19. So, divide by 19. Enter. And I get 0.6697. So, I'm going to write that down. Sine B is 0.6697. All right, what do I do from here? Well, this gets interesting because this is not my answer. Don't put this down as the answer. You have sine B, so you have to get what B is equal to. And to do that, you switch it. And the way we switch is we do the inverse. And the inverse is a fancy way of just hitting second sine. So you hit second sine, and you'll get this little funky little notation here, and you just type it in. So what I'm actually going to do to be as precise as possible, hit second negative sign, enter. So it gives me 42.04. 42.04. So B is 42.04. Okay. Awesome. So now I'm going to put in 42.04. And then you're like, well, Mr. Anderson, it does say he wants it in degrees and minutes. So I can't just put in 42.04. That would be insane. Let's not do that. How do I convert it? Well, fortunately, the calculator can do it for you. Second, apps. And then you go to number 4, DMS, enter, enter. And you got it, 42 degrees in 2 minutes and 41 seconds. So even though it says degree minutes, I'm going to go ahead and write it out. Clearly, that I guess there would be an issue of rounding. I guess you would round up because 41 is like 41 is greater than 30 seconds. Like you'd round up if it was 0.5 or above. So 30 seconds or above we'd round up. But I'm going to go ahead and write it out loud. I think that's more precise. More precise is better. So I'm going to go with mo beta. So 42 degrees. 2 minutes, 41 seconds. All right, How do we figure out the last angle? Well, you're going to do basically what we've been doing. You're going to do 180 minus 78 degrees, 11 minutes, minus 42 degrees, 2 minutes, and 41 seconds. More precise, more better. All right. Let's do this. So I'm going to do 180, and since I already have 42 degrees, 2 minutes, and 41 seconds on there, I'm just going to hit minus second. Notice I hit second answer down here. Minus, and now I'm going to have to type this in. So 78 second apps degrees. 11 second apps minutes. So I have it like so. Enter. And we got 59.77. Again, let's put in degree minute seconds. Boom. So 59 degrees. So, 59 degrees. 46 minutes. Now I will round it up to 19 seconds. Okay. By the way, I'm doing this, and this may be a little bit of an extension of information. On the test, don't stress over this degree minute seconds. I'm just trying to emphasize this from before. It's not going to be an issue on the test. You won't have to worry about that. So if you're looking at those degree minute seconds like, oh, this is painful, don't worry about it. It's not going to be on the test, but it's a good practice anyways. Okay. Since we're close to the end, let's go ahead and finish it off. So how are we going to do this? We're going to do the law of sines. I'm going to use the original 78 degrees 11 minutes. So let's do that. Sine 78 degrees 11 minutes over 19 equals sine 59 degrees 46 minutes 19 seconds over C. Go ahead, cross multiply and divide. If you do this correctly, you're going to get 19 times sine, second answer, divided by sine 78 degrees 11 minutes, and the answer becomes second apps EMS 16 degrees 46 minutes. Alright, hopefully that makes sense to y'all and you guys get it. If not, post some questions and I will answer them. Alright, see you in the next video.